Let us imagine there is no dates mentioned on the calendar. Absolutely weird, right? Same goes with content calendar as well. If you're posting randomly without having a content calendar, then my friend, you're not following a right strategy. Welcome to day 5 of learning digital marketing using AI. In this, we are going to learn about how to draft a perfect calendar using ChatGPT. If you ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, can you give me a content calendar for my brand? It will give you random stuff. But what if you use the below prompt which I've given on the description and in the first pinned comment? It will give you fail proof amazing content calendar results. Excited? Then do follow for day 6 of learning like how to draft content on social media. Don't forget to like and share.